Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by assembling lawful essentials, the 15-digit Imei, purchase proof, and account info. Do not try third-party tracking services or hacks. That risks legal trouble. Instead, call your carrier right away and tell them the Imei and device details so they can flag or block the phone. Once done, file a police report with the same Imei. Law enforcement can request location from carriers under proper authority. This path keeps you legal and increases the chance of recovery. Once the carrier has the Imei, they can blacklist the device to prevent reuse and escalate internally. They may also cooperate with law enforcement. Make sure you give clear timestamps and last known locations, because carriers and police use that to request cell site records or lawful real-time data. If you had tracking apps like Find My or Google Find My Device, provide those account details to investigators. These coordinated actions are how locations are obtained legally and reliably. Third-party, Imei locating claims are unreliable and risky. Finally, try built-in recovery options while authorities act. Use Find My Device or Find My iPhone to lock, ring, or wipe remotely if you have account access. If those fail, work with police to compel carrier records or a court order. Persistently provide the Imei, receipts, and communication logs so investigators have evidence. If a carrier resists, escalate the complaint through regulatory bodies. Troubleshooting tip: if carriers claim they cannot locate the device, insist they log the request and ask police to pursue a formal legal data request.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.